Hi everybody, today we are going to see how to assemble a bottle sanitizer pump. You'll get it in this box. First we are going to take out the parts. So first we are going to take this and this. Then you put it in through this hole. You put it the height. Then you put the string into the hole. That is a string, so it will take a little bit of energy. Like this.
You are taking it from my
Then we are going to place it in. And this is a stand for it. So this is how it's going to look. First we are going to put some water. There is your sanitizer. So now you'll add your sanitizer into it. Then we are going to put a bottle and pump it like this. We are going to pump it like this. It may be a bit splashy. Then your bottle is ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Bye.